Welcome to our ultimate smartphone camera showdown. Today, we're going to compare the camera specs of the latest iPhone and Samsung models. Have you ever wondered which smartphone takes better photos and videos? Stay tuned to find out the surprising results. Main content. Let's kick things off by comparing the camera specifications of the iPhone and Samsung. The iPhone boasts a 12MP rear camera with dual optical image stabilization, while Samsung comes with a 108MP camera with advanced AI features. Now let's move on to the photo samples. We took identical photos with both smartphones in various lighting conditions to see how they stack up against each other. The colors and details captured by the iPhone are impressive, but Samsung's larger sensor size gives it an edge in low-light situations. Next up, we have the video samples. We recorded videos in 4K resolution using both smartphones to test their video stabilization and dynamic range. The iPhone excels in capturing smooth footage with natural colors, while Samsung delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. After analyzing the photo and video samples, it's time to draw our conclusions. The iPhone shines in terms of color accuracy and overall performance, making it a reliable choice for photography enthusiasts. On the other hand, Samsung's advanced camera features and larger sensor size make it a powerhouse for videography. In the end, the choice between iPhone and Samsung ultimately comes down to personal preference and the type of photography or videography you prefer. Both smartphones offer exceptional camera capabilities that will elevate your content creation game. Outro. Thank you for tuning into our ultimate smartphone camera showdown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Which smartphone do you think won the showdown? Let us know in the comments below.